kitty cats.
We have 2.
We have 3.
You have 3? Woo! Did Jacob really have?
No, he has 1 dog.
1 dog?
And 1 cat.
1 dog and 1 cat?
We used to have 2 cats, but the other one died.
No.
What color was he? Black and white. Both of them had white on them. Is this a girl or a boy?
It's a girl. Her name is Princess Ling Ling.
Come on.
You see how she has a pink collar? It's because she's a girl.
And she has a kitty. My teacher has 10 kitty cats.
Really?
But she really does have 12.
What?
Oh. See, there's a cat in here.
Are you guys? You're not supposed to
Oh.
hit it while she's eating, right?